How to fix Oppo Reno 14f is not charging. So let's start the video. First of all, check your charger and cable works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update a new one charger cable. After update a new one charger cable, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up for restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.